What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. So today I will talk about inauthentic content, but what nobody tell you about inauthentic content, which is the cause of demonetization on YouTube. YouTube massively demonetized many YouTube channels because of this inauthentic content.
Looking for a comprehensive e-learning authoring tool to save your time and effort? Active Presenter is here for you. Designing interactive course, quiz, game, tutorial, and video is fast and easy like a piece of cake. With the power of AI assistance, your e-learning creation process becomes smoother and smarter. Try Active Presenter for free at the link in the description box below.
Okay, so I got a channel here. So this is my channel, and we can go to the Earn tab and see your channel isn't earning right now. After reviewing your channel using combination of automatic system and human reviewer, we found out that it does not follow YouTube channel monetization policy, and the problem is inauthentic content that appear mass-produced or repetitive to increase views without adding significant educational or other value. So this is the problem, that YouTube demonetized my channel and yours channel. So it is inauthentic content, and there is nothing new about this one. So you can go to Google YouTube channel monetization policy starting July 15, 2025. So they changed the repetitive content to inauthentic content. So it is clear in YouTube policy that they will demonetize channel that violates this policy. Yeah, and it is clear in the policy, nothing to say. By the way, if your channel get demonetized because of inauthentic content, this is the information you need to know. Okay, so first up,
looking for a comprehensive e-learning authoring tool to save your time and effort? Active Presenter is here for you. Designing interactive course, quiz, game, tutorial, and video is fast and easy like a piece of cake. With the power of AI assistance, your e-learning creation process becomes smoother and smarter. Try Active Presenter for free at the link in the description box below.
So first up, when your channel is demonetized because of inauthentic content, there is no way to appeal for this. Nobody can appeal this policy violation, because I have other channel here. I have my channel, and also I manage many other people channel, and I also do service about YouTube. So we have multiple channel here, and many of them get demonetized by inauthentic content, and we try to appeal with a form. So we need to submit a form where we have to input our URL and also explain the reason why it is not true, and we need to explain about our channel. But nobody succeeds. Nobody succeeds. It is in my country. I don't know about your country, but here in Vietnam, nobody can appeal for this problem. Okay, even me, I have been making YouTube service for about 2 years. I appeal for many other people channel and also appeal for my channel, and it is not possible to appeal for this fault, and the answer from YouTube is the same all the time. So that is the first information you need to know. If someone tell you that they can help you appeal for this inauthentic content demonetization, it is a lie or just a scam. Okay, so that is the first information you need to know. And the second information, if your channel get demonetized because of inauthentic content, there is another risk, so which is very important. If you have multiple YouTube channels, so here, just read here, if you don't successfully appeal your suspension for this channel, any other channel you may operate are also at risk of suspension from YouTube partner program. Okay, so if you have any other channel that is related to this YouTube channel, I mean the recovery Gmail, the phone number, and Google AdSense, stuff like that, it can be demonetized. And I have 5 other YouTube channel demonetized for this because they are related to this channel. Okay, so I got a Vietnamese channel, which is, for example, this is my Vietnamese channel, and it get demonetized because of related channel. Okay, let me show you the error here. After carefully review your appeal, your channel remain ineligible for monetization. Okay, so go to the Earn tab, severe policy violation, suspended due to related channel. So it is related to the previous channel that I just showed you, and I have 5 other channel, monetized channel, and they are all demonetized because they are related to the inauthentic content channel. So if you get one channel with inauthentic content demonetization, remember you need to remove the phone number, remove the recovery email address, and also separate the AdSense account for this channel to make your other channel safe. So that is the second thing you need to understand about inauthentic content. Okay, and next thing, what type of content is being scanned for inauthentic content? First up, the AI story channel. If you write story using Cloud AI or ChatGPT or Gemini, anything like that, and then you generate images using AI, and you generate voiceover using AI, and use CapCut or Filmora or any other video editor, and just make a story video like this, like what you see on the screen, then it is high risk of being demonetized by inauthentic content policy. So that is the first type of content. The second type, if you produce audio or podcast, you just ask AI or generate AI voiceover to read the news or read a script with one image on the video. That could be a violation of YouTube partner program. So it could be inauthentic content demonetization. And the next one, if you produce video using Veltree or AI video, history or anything, history video or story video or world war or military video, stuff like that, and you just put them together in one template all the time, and it is inauthentic content. So there are 3 types of content that have been demonetized recently. Many channels get demonetized here in Vietnam. Okay, so that is the type of content. And the last thing I want to tell you, if you want to create a channel and using AI to create video like story channel, stuff like that, you need to make it isolated from other YouTube channel you have. So remember to have a separate phone number, separate recovery email, and also connect it with one AdSense account. Okay, just one AdSense account to make it safe. So when it is demonetized, then just leave it or just delete it. Okay, and it will not affect other YouTube channel you have. Alright, so that's everything about inauthentic content I want to tell you in this video. I hope this information is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just ask me at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.